And welcome to our meteorology segment. Today, coming at you from the galactic core here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. We're going to be talking about meteorology subjects. So we're starting out by looking at the surface winds here of the eastern world. Powerful cyclonic system right here off the coast of Kamchatka. Also some weather warnings at New Caledonia. I believe it's this cyclone down here. And let's see what's going on in the jet stream. And you can find disaster reports at smashamash.com/smashteam. A bunch of free posts going up throughout the remainder of the year. Anyway, there are the 250 hectopascal winds known as the jet stream for the eastern world. Check it out, there's an equatorial jet convergence happening right here. You see the equatorial jet convergence? That's a thing. Let's take a look at the west side. And we see some north-south meridional jet stream flow going on here. And you can see the other end of that equatorial jet stream band there. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. Shout out to our viewers from both sides. Here's the jet stream forecast for the next 72 hours for the U.S. And you can see some very cold air going to be intruding very far into Southern California. Some cold Canadian air making its way through that jet stream kink. And let's do a snow forecast, as there is some incredibly heavy snow, like 5 feet about to fall in California. There's already 22.6 inches. And we're going to advance the European forecast 72 hours here. So in 72 hours, the European forecast, at least at 12 noon on Wednesday the 15th. So on Wednesday the 15th, expecting to see 67.9 inches of snow there, according to the European forecast. That's quite a bit. Also the Wyoming Rockies and so on, northern Montana. Check out some of the snow totals there in places like Alberta. Yowzers. Some crazy amounts of snow. Let's continue on. Here's the GFS forecast for the next 72 hours. And you can see 35 inches there forecasted for a large portion of California. That's the 35-inch mark. And it looks like it's going to be more like 4 feet. As you can see, this large white area there coincides with 48 inches. That's the Gfs Snowfall Forecast for the next 72 hours. Eeks. So lots of winter storm warnings. If your county's lit up, head to weather.gov and click on your county. If you've got specific weather requests, if you'd like to know what's going on in your area, if you want to know a specific weather forecast for your location, let us know in the comments. We'll consider it. It's coming. It's coming, folks. If you understand atmospheric physics, you can forecast your weather. We'll show you how. Next, the NASA GOES Lightning Mapper. And thankfully, this is a little bit calmer than it was yesterday, as there were devastating tornadoes causing death and destruction, especially in Kentucky. Here's the current lightning map, courtesy lightningmaps.org. Powered by, and say it aloud, blitzachtung.org. You know you want to say it. Anyway, lightning's looking pretty calm at the moment. A little bit of lightning there in the Central Pacific. Thanks to our Twitch followers. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. It's the primary source of content for live streaming at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. It's just a spectacular live streaming platform. It's just great. We love it. The functionality is just top notch. And like most things, gamers are pragmatists. And like most things when it comes to gaming, we use what works. So I am a gamer, although we stream these videos in the science and technology genre on Twitch. Again, twitch.tv/smashamash was the original location this video was streamed. Some of our videos end up on BitChute, and some don't. We've been primarily putting up our meteorology segments. If you only view these videos on BitChute, make sure you go view on YouTube. You're missing 90% of our content. If you're new on YouTube, press like, press subscribe. Today's featured product is Universum Liberate. Yes, join the Galactic Special Forces and help to free everybody. Our motto is Universum Liberate. Say that aloud. I don't know what kind of power word that is. Watch out. You might cause somebody to become liberated. It could be very dangerous. God forbid people get liberated from the bonds that are destroying their lives. Universum Liberate. When the Galactic Federation's not doing it, when the Space Force is not doing it, when nobody's doing it, free everybody. Links below the video to our content. Make sure you check out smashamash.com/smashteam. Otherwise, we may not be able to return from the galactic core. You hear that wind? It's the galactic core. Help fund our return voyage at smashamash.com/smashteam. Become a gold or a silver member, perhaps a paid-up subscription. Our annual subscription is by far the best deal. And you get all kinds of analysis nobody gets throughout the rest of the year for free. It's the time for giving things like gifts and ringtones and all kinds of other stuff. Let's get back to meteorology here. And look at the water vapor over the south and north. The entire Pacific, basically. Most of the Pacific showing up here on this great imagery. Great imagery of the Pacific Ocean here. Quite dry in the southeastern portion. It's a dry mass of dry massive air. And there's some dry massive air stabbing its way into Oregon, stabbing its way in. See that? It's just whoosh, just stabbing its way in. Did you know that dry air is more massive than moist air? Let's blast through more data. It's the U.S. Doppler Radar Map. We're going to show all 50 states. Yeah. AUSA, at the allegedly United States of America. Shout out to all of our American viewers. Here is the lower 48 Doppler radar. And quite a bit of precipitation in especially the northwestern part of the country. Things clearing up in the east, although some lake effect snow here coming off of Erie and Ontario. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's lake effect snow. Yes, those lakes, they speed up the winds. As lakes are flat, which tends to concentrate the winds at the ground level, hence speeding them up. That's the water vapor map, by the way. And check out the leeward side of the Rockies. Seeing some moisture forming there. Anyway, here's your recap, the lower 48. There's the shortwave radiation map. When it's too dark to see clouds and fog, this works pretty well. Low clouds over the Atlantic seaboard as well, by the way. You can see all those low clouds there. And here is the water vapor map. That should help you out if your Doppler is looking funky. The water vapor map should help you. Anyway, I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Galactic Core at the Smash News Network, least busted. Naming news.